All right, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well as always. I feel like I'm saying this a lot lately, but sorry to be getting this out so late. I should have it around the 15th of the month, but life happens, and more than anything, work's been pretty busy. So we'll try to get a second one out to you guys, next 2 weeks. So coming at you rapid fire. Let's go ahead and dig right in here. So from 292 sales September of 2018 to 275 sales, so off 5.8%, a little bit of a dip there. If you look across the whole year, though, you'll see, for the most part, we're above 300, and a couple of months we get above 400. So historically, this has been kind of a slow month, right? So the September month has just been kind of slower, and I can largely attribute that to kind of twofold, right? You look at people that were moving for schools. A lot of people move during the summertime to get their children into a new school in the fall. When you get to September, your school's already just about starting, so it's going to slow down there. And then on the flip side, you don't have people that are coming down for the winter that are here yet. So that's, I think, why September is kind of a slower month. But anyways, something to look at there. I'm just going to kind of breeze over average price per square foot and median, right? At this point, I think those of you that have been watching for a while, it's relatively flat, and I don't think we're getting a whole lot out of that data right now. So we'll quickly take a look here. Average price per square foot, about level, but look across the chart there, been level about the whole time throughout the year. So median pricing, kind of the same thing, right? Pretty tight cluster. A couple of months where it zigzags a little, but for the most part, we're in a pretty tight range. Let's get over to days on market. This one I think I do want to take a little bit of a closer look at, because I think there's something going on here, right? Take a look. September 2018, 83 days, up to 97 days September of 2019. So again, that's the actual days on market. That's not the time something was pending sale. That's just the number of days it was actively listed before it went pending and eventually to closed. So that's true days on market, right? Truly active days. So again, this is just a broad thing across all price points. And I've said this time and again, if you guys have a lower dollar single family home, the days on market are going to be really short. If you have a high-end luxury, it's going to take a lot longer to sell, especially if it's a luxury condo. So just know this is kind of a quick metric to look at. And if you're looking at a specific price point or a specific area, please get in touch with me, because I don't want you to think this is applicable to everything. What I do think is important to note is that it's taking longer to sell, right? There's a lot of areas in the country where there's a housing shortage everywhere. In Lauderdale, we're not seeing that as much right now. And I think it's going to show up even more when you go over to the next slide, right? Months of inventory. 6 months of inventory is a balanced market. Less than 6 months favors sellers. More than 6 months favors buyers. So still a little bit of a buyer's market here if you look down. 8.3 months of inventory again. Look year over year, right? Not a crazy amount of inventory compared to last year, but I do think it's important to note, it's those of you that think sellers are in control of the market 100%. Again, property type and price point, you may be right. You may be way off the mark if you're looking for another higher end condo. It's just not going to apply. So anyways, hope everyone has a good month going forward, and hopefully we get a little bit of a temperature breakdown here. It's been pretty hot. We'll see you guys next month. Hope all is well.